Everybody's springing forward to productivity, but what about relaxation? What are we doing to ease our minds or to just pause for a second? I figured I would pull out my adult coloring book and get a little mandala action going. It took about 45 minutes to get the whole thing done, but I did absolutely nothing and I thought about absolutely nothing in the process. And that was nice. However my plants are doing reflects how I'm doing. If they look too dry, that means I need to stop moving and spend some time indoors. If they look too wet or too overwatered, that means I need to go sit my ass down. So today I just trimmed them a little bit, made sure they were all good, changed out any old water, and made sure the soil was good. If you spend a lot of time talking, it's important to find something to do that allows you to be silent and enjoy your silence. And if you spend a lot of time being quiet, it's important to find something to do that allows you to exercise your voice. I usually sing to my plants or talk to them about some dumb shit that I did that day. It helps give them carbon dioxide, and it also helps me to get some fresh air. Then I go outside and have a drink of tea or coffee or something, anything to get me some sunshine and some vitamin D. And then I take my ass back inside and get back to work. How much time do you have in the day to just spend some time outside, even if it's just to get a little tiny bit of fresh air? Find that time and do it. Thank me later.